In this video I'm going to show you how to add rating questions in Google Forms. So what we will do, we will create a blank form over here. And as you can see, if I click on that, we will create a blank form. Now the importance of rating questions in a form will be that they need to look simple and they don't need to be overwhelming for the people who are answering the questions. So for that, I will ask them, how do you think about our service? Keep it straightforward, don't complicate it too much. And after that, we need to click on multiple choice over here. Then we will scroll down and you have a rating option now these days. So we will use this one. So as you can see, they can now easily rate on a scale of 1 to 5. But what you also can do is to extend it to a 10. If you want to dive deeper into a certain topic or a certain question and you want to get a more detailed rating, then you can select the scale of 10. So from 1 to 10. And now if you select the icon, you can also change it to hearts or a like. Now we will use stars for this one. And as you can see, we now have a scale of 1 to 10. Now the next step will be, of course, to make it required. You want people to answer this question, otherwise it is useless. So make them answer this question by marking it as required. And after that, you can simply go to the next question by clicking on the plus. So you can add a new question. Now we will call this form rate us. So people can rate us, and you can also leave a description about this form so people get informed about why you do this, like we want to make our customer service better or something like that. And after that you can go to the view option on the right top. You have a preview option, and as you can see, if I click on that, then it will be displayed as I am responding to these questions. Now, if I will rate this, then you will see that it will be marked as an 8-hour service. So the next question needs to be added yet, so that will be like that. And as you can see, once you have answered all the questions, then you can submit them. And here you can see the responses. We can create a new sheet to link that to our responses. So let's say service, responses, form. And now you can click on create. Now it automatically creates a new sheet where our questions and our contestants will be previewed. So you can see exactly when someone has contested to this form, and also you can see the answers on the questions. So you can make a detailed overview of the ratings which our customers have left on our questionnaire. And that is basically how you add rating questions in Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!